Hi, we are 360 Telemetry, and this short video is about what we do. We provide M2M solutions. But what is M2M? M2M stands for machine-to-machine communications, which is a fancy way of saying using electronics to get or send information to equipment that is remote from you. Often the best way to do this is using the internet. So some examples. Consider a vending machine. Wouldn't it be useful if it could automatically report to a server that it will soon need restocking or that it has a fault that needs attention? The server can then send alerts by email or text message to the appropriate people. That would save costly site visits to the machine just to find out it didn't need restocking. And the vend price could be changed from the website and then sent to the machine. That would save costly site visits again just to change the vend price. Some more examples. Monitoring wind farms to optimize performance and know about faults before they become serious. Monitoring beehives on bee farms to ensure conditions are optimal, as only happy bees produce the best honey. Monitoring beer dispense in bars and pubs. Suppliers want to know when and where they sell the most beer and target advertising appropriately. Managers want to know if equipment is working correctly, and owners want to know if all the beer is being paid for. Or monitoring the environment for things like water quality, flood detection, and earthquake detection, thus preventing damage to the environment and to people's health. Frankly, the examples of where M2M can be used are endless. So where do we fit in? Hardware. We can design your electronics hardware for your entire product or just the M2M bit. You choose. We often work with our customers helping with the design, especially the M2M bit, freeing you up to concentrate on your core skills and get the product to market on time. The hardware will have a microcontroller or microprocessor that is like the brains of the electronics. The microcontroller needs software to be developed by people that understand the hardware. This is often called firmware. We are experts in developing firmware and have a lot of firmware modules that we have used in multiple projects, so we can often construct a new project using tried and tested modules in less time than you'd think. Server side. We can provide your entire server side, including data collection, database, website, and hosting. You just see a website with your data available in an easy-to-use way. We handle everything else. Or we can provide pieces of the server-side system if you want to do some of it yourself. Maybe you have an existing back-office system and you just want us to get the data into it. No problem, we can do that also. Apps. We can develop mobile apps for smartphones and tablets. Apps can be used to view your data or to interface to your machine or product. So, to sum up, we think that we are unique in that we can provide all of your M2M system or just the pieces you require. For example, many other providers insist on hosting the data. We don't. You can license our server-side solutions and host them yourself if you want to. So why not get in touch to discuss your project needs? We can evaluate your requirements and advise a route forward, free of charge.